Hi, this is Jim Robinson with ProfitTrading.com. This is the USD-CAD pair, and in the premium forex newsletter we went short when this bar's low was taken out. It was around 140 something, and then we're still holding short, so we're ahead on this trade, and I just think this market's got a lot more downside to go. So today it's up a little bit, but it was down earlier, so really that doesn't, the trends, the 10-10 bands show the trend is down, so we're just sticking short with that. Okay, now the next trade I think we're going to be taking in the premium newsletter. I could have had some other trades here lately, but I didn't want to get too much going at once in case something didn't work out, so one at a time. So now it looks like we're going to be pretty sure to be able to bring the USD-CAD to break even pretty quick here. So the next trade I think we're going to be taking is, I think the usdjpy is put in the top. Now, I don't have a sell signal yet for this market. That's why you just can't just look at the market and think a top's coming in. You got to have the right entry point and the right stop to make the trade work. That's where a lot of people, okay, here's, see, it's making a bearish divergence on this 14-day stochastics. This is a 14-day stochastics, and it's making a lower momentum reading as it's making a new price high. And right there, that's a good signal that a top may be coming in, at least a swing top, not necessarily a major top or anything, but a lot of people will just sell on this alone, and you can't really do that, because that's where you always hear that tops and bottoms are so dangerous to try to sell, because the time you try to sell on just the divergence, then it'll shoot up and stop you out. And what you got to do is you got to have a entry point down here. You got to wait for the market to turn. You got to look at some other indicators. I look at quite a few different indicators to see that if the market, I think the market's turned or not, and then I have an entry technique and a stop technique, and all that adds up to be very important. So right now I think a top's coming in for the USD-JPY, but I'm still waiting for the trigger point to go short. And if the USD-JPY does trade lower from here, I should have a trade to go short in my premium newsletter sometimes this week, in the next couple days probably, but it could be anytime this week. We just let the market decide, tell us when it's time to take the trade. And so that's it for this video. I appreciate you watching and listening, and have a great day. Jim Robinson, ProfitTrading.com.